Greetings to one and all present here. As head boy of our school, I take this opportunity to remind you that today, December 22nd, is Founders Day of our school. Most years, we commemorate this day as annual day or exhibition day or some other form of celebration. How else can we show our gratitude to our founders who established this wonderful institution where we enjoy our schooling, meeting friends, playing games, participating in various events, in fact, a mini society where our very foundation is built.
Yes, indeed, Dave. And as head girl, I take this opportunity to welcome you all today to our online mini celebration where we honor our founder members, our current management members for continuing the legacy, our wonderful school for nurturing us, faculty and leadership for grooming us to take our place in the world, and last but not the least, our parents for enabling us to come in this school, which in a very short time will be our alma mater.
This pandemic has taught us the true value of school and friends. Weren't those days we would crib for coming to school, carrying heavy bags, completing loads of homework and writing those exams? Now I wish for those very days, considering the fact that this is our last year in school. Now I salute the founder members of our school who had envisioned such an institution in this locality of Jogeshwari. We can today proudly claim that this is one of the best schools, if not the very best, in Jogeshwari. Srimati Surajba Vidya Mandir was founded in the year 1967 and this makes our school 53 years old.
The illustrious founder members of our school are Dr. M.I. Patel, Shirish Bhai M. Patel, Rashmi Bhai Desai, Jitendra C. Vakil and Ramesh Bhai Merchant. In fact, our school is named after Dr. M.I. Patel's mother, Surajba. An industrialist, philanthropist, linguist, storyteller, educationist, Dr. M.I. Patel is a multifaceted personality who at one time was also a sheriff of Mumbai. Being one of our most beloved members, he never fails to attend many of our functions and events despite his advancing age and also has a piece of valuable advice for both faculty and students. We also miss the presence of late Mr. J.C. Vakil, another leading light of locality and erstwhile president of Jogeshwari Kelavani Mandal. The other three founder members have also made valuable contribution to our school and it is standing in the field of education. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to these visionaries and hope that all of us will live up to their expectations and make them proud.
To forget, our current management members, Mr. Samir Patel, President, Mr. Vikram Patel, Secretary, and Mr. Pulkit Pandya, Treasurer of Jogeshwari Kelavani Mandals. They are following in the footsteps of our illustrious founders and are ably carrying forward their legacy in the field of education. The current management members had scored our school in the competitive age, winning various achievements like the International School Awards, Greenland Awards for 2 years in the row, and being environmental conscious and partnering with Isho Shustri for a number of events and setting up a wonderful water harvesting plants, etc. Thus, setting an example for others to follow in the locality. With such a vibrant management, the school can go forward and make us proud in future.
Are you aware, friends, that there has been a huge change in the infrastructure of our school? Some of the alumni from 30 to 40 years ago might not even recognize it as their school anymore. In fact, changes are taking place at such a fast pace that we might not recognize this as our school 10 years from now. What was once a shed-like structure eventually stands as a ground plus 3 structure today and might progress to a much taller one in the future. Smart boards, audiovisual room, computer access for faculty and students alike, workshops for faculty as well as students are some features that keep us on par with the best of the schools. We can even enjoy a good canteen that serves not just tasty but healthy food that meets the criteria set by Education Department resolution. A far-sighted management has made all this possible.
Why? Our school was a forerunner even in this pandemic. Our studies did not come to a halt like some others. Faculty as well as students with parental support continued with online classes seamlessly. We did not let even a pandemic get in the way of celebrations and school events. Hindi Divas, Grandparents' Day, Independence Day, Guru Purnima, and Diwali celebration were some events celebrated online, and we are still making a bid to win the Greenland Prize for the third consecutive year.
I must take this opportunity to express heartfelt gratitude to our teachers here. Management takes decisions, invests, and improves infrastructure. But it's really the teachers who implement and carry out strategies in the classroom, facilitate learning, and enable us to reach our potential. I have heard said that we had a very few teachers in the early days of our school. They carried out such tasks as going from home to home, inviting students to join our school, and even clerical work like collecting fees along with their own work.
Boosting staff, our school has progressed to a large faculty for every section, from the pre-primary to the secondary. Today, our teachers undertake CPD or continuous professional development programs, employ various pedagogies in the classroom, and engage us in various activities in a bid to ensure all-round development of the students. Our school has gone from strength to strength due to the teachers who engage us in curricular and extracurricular work. Part-time teachers and activity teachers undertake dance, drama, and karate classes to ensure all-round development of the students. Even the specially challenged students have counselor to help with identify learning disability and enable learning. What a long way we have come.
Indeed, we have a lot to be grateful for, particularly to our parents who sought admissions to Srimati Surajbha Vidya Mandir for us and our brothers and sisters. You know friends, some of our alumni have become such eminent members of our society. They hail from vast variety professions such as teachers, IT professionals, doctors, artists, sportsmen, and many more. They too want to speak about their alma mater and their fond memories of it. How exciting! Let's listen to some of them.
Respected school trustees, principal, teachers, and dear students. I am Manish V. Surti, SP, CBI, Vyapam cases, and ACB Bhopal. I have studied in Surajbha Vidya Mandir High School in Gujarati medium and passed the 10th examination in 1985. The school has always occupied an important place in my life. It has given me education and knowledge which has laid the foundation of my life. There were wonderful teachers in the school like Mandakini Desai Madam, Ranjan Parikh Ma'am, Chandrika Upadhyay Ma'am, Asha Ben Vedalankar Madam, Munjpura Sir, Vashish Sir, Bagal Sir, and others. I remember Bagal Sir organizing combined sports activities for both the mediums, and there was friendly rivalry between both the medium students to win the most medals. There were many activities being organized in the school where we all the students used to take enthusiastically part in it. I congratulate the school management for continuing the Gujarati medium school till now, when most of the Gujarati schools in Mumbai and Gujarat are being closed, and thereby school is imparting the education in the mother tongue of Gujarati medium students. I also thank the school management for making me part of the online School Founders Day program and allowing me to revive the cherished and fond memories of my childhood and school life. Thank you.
एंड हेलो गाइस, मैं थोड़ा सा बोलूँगा लेकिन आप सुन लो, ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, मज़ा आ जाएगा आपको। सबसे पहली बात, मैं 2002 में यहाँ से पास आउट हुआ श्रीमती सूरजबा विद्या मंदिर से। मेरा नाम है शिवराम रघुवीर दास गवादे। मैं अपने स्कूल के लिए बॉक्सिंग रिप्रेजेंट किया हूँ और अपने स्कूल को मेडल भी दिया, स्टेट लेवल में सिल्वर मेडल और डिस्ट्रिक्ट में गोल्ड मेडल। तो अब तक तो मैं ही हूँ, तो आई विश कि अपने स्कूल में से भी कोई ना कोई स्पोर्ट्समैन निकले, ताकि हमें किसी जात की या किसी और चीज़ों की रिजर्वेशन की ज़रूरत ना पड़े। हमें रिजर्वेशन पड़े तो अपने खुद के बलबूते, जिससे हम खुद इंडिपेंडेंटली जो चाहे, जहाँ चाहे, जैसा जॉब चाहे, जैसा कॉलेज चाहे, हम सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। आज मैं जो भी हूँ, जिस मुकाम पे भी हूँ, आज मैं पुलिस में हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ श्रीमती सूरजबा विद्या मंदिर एंड माई टीचर्स। जितने मेरे पेरेंट्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं मुझे बड़ा करने में, उतने रिस्पॉन्सिबल मेरे टीचर्स हैं। एंड स्पेशली दोज हु आर क्लोज टू मी, जिन्होंने मुझे हर टाइम प्रेरित किया, वो है धनु सर, पागल सर, सोना मिस, रेखा मिस, आशा चावला मिस, फिर अपने मैथ्यू मिस दैट टाइम शी वाज प्रिंसिपल। वो इतना अच्छी बातें करती थी ना कि आप यकीन नहीं मानोगे, वैसा मतलब हमने कभी देखा ही नहीं। फिर गीता मिस जो हमें साइंस पढ़ाती थी, रजनी वर्मा मिस जो हिंदी पढ़ाती थी, और प्राइमरी मिस थी हमारी राधा मिस। आज जो भी हूँ मैं इनकी वजह से, जितने मेरे माँ बाप हैं उससे बढ़कर मेरे टीचर्स हैं। और दूसरी बात ये कि जितनी पढ़ाई ज़रूरी है उतनी खेलकूद भी ज़रूरी है और मस्ती भी ज़रूरी है, बट नॉट बेमतलब या फालतू मस्ती। खेलो, जितनी नेगेटिव एनर्जी आप पॉजिटिव में डालोगे, लाइक स्पोर्ट्स खेलोगे, उतना तुम्हें उसकी तरक्की मिलेगी। यू विल बी हैविंग पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड और जो चाहे वो कर सकते हो लाइफ में। और रिजर्वेशन से बेटर है टेक अ स्पोर्ट्स रिजर्वेशन, और स्पोर्ट्स रिजर्वेशन से लेने के बाद आप कॉलेज तो क्या, दुनिया में कौन सा भी मुकाम आप हासिल कर सकते हो। आपने तो बड़े मैं तो एक नॉर्मल अपने स्कूल के लेवल का या नेशनल लेवल का बॉक्सर हूँ, पर अगर आप पूरी हिस्ट्री देखेंगे भारत की, धोनी हो गए, सचिन तेंदुलकर हो गए, शिवा थापा हो गए, विजेंदर सिंह हो गए, फिर ये लोग जो है अपने बलबूते पे अपनी जॉब से लेके इज्जत से लेके सब उन्होंने पाया। बस मैं इतना ही विश करूँगा कि आप डेवलप और खुद के पैर पे खड़े रहें। एंड स्पेशल थैंक्स टू मिस्टर विक्रम पटेल सर जी, जिन्होंने कभी मुझे सपोर्ट किया, और उनके साथ में दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स इंचार्ज देबू सर, उन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया। इसलिए आज मैं जो भी हूँ, जहाँ भी खड़ा हूँ, उनके वजह से कॉन्फिडेंटली खड़ा हूँ। और पढ़ाई भी ज़रूरी है और स्पोर्ट्स भी ज़रूरी है, पर सब बैलेंस होगा तो भी चलेगा। ज़्यादा पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। यू आर प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट्स एंड यू शुड बी बेटर इन स्पोर्ट्स। एंड थैंक यू फॉर inviting me. This is a grand day and I really appreciate, sir. Thank you, sir ji, for inviting me for the school founders day. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind. Bye.
Good evening, everybody. With all respects to the present staff, including Principal Mrs. Julia here, it's a great pleasure as I sit in and study, reflect on how I'm associated, I was associated, I continue to remain associated with Srimati Surajbha Vidya Mandir. I think the foundation stone of whatever academics is in me is all due to Srimati Surajbha Vidya Mandir. It was a very small school then, and it is an honor to come back to this school, which has now become a big school, Jageshwari. All the success of mine, whatever academic science, profession I'm doing, is all culture that was ingrained by educating at the Srimati Surajbha. Teachers for that. We were the second batch of the school, so actually we carried no baggage of previous success. Yes, we were not inspired and we did wish to do well academically and professionally in our lives. We had a wonderful set of teachers for all the subjects, and we were very closely associated with them all through the years that we spent there. The goals in life at different times were different. The student was trying to well at the SSC exams. Later it was 12th standard exams. Then each of us took a different path thereafter. I have a lot of batchmates who are equally or even more successful in different fields of life. Somebody is a chartered accountant. Many of them are entrepreneurs. They are really doing well. So I find it a big honor to be given a chance to once again communicate with the present crop of students from the school. Following 12th standard, my interest was to study medicine. And that's how I joined the St. G.S. Medical College in KE Hospital. All of you know that it's a prime institute in medical teaching. So was it then. And it is through long years in this KE hospital, spending that time there, I could move from MBBS to MD in general medicine, followed by DNP in cardiology. Actually, you never get tired when you have a goal. If you reflect back on the years spent, one would wonder if one can repeat that performance. But if you are looking into the future, I think there is still a lot more to be done. And so was it with me. So it was not the last step. And from there, I went on to the Netherlands and the academic hospital Maastricht. Learned more about heart rhythm disorders, specifically in cardiology. And it's there I did my doctoral thesis, became a PhD probably one of the first in the country in cardiac arrhythmias. So it's very satisfying when a small boy from a small school, from a small suburb, gets an opportunity to do so many things in life. I think that is what should be the driving force for you. Your aspiration to do well in different fields should be what should keep motivating you. I still think I have many things to do in the future, and I'm sure I wish you all that you carry the same spirit and success will be yours. Success is not necessarily academic success. As I said, your goals keep on changing. Success is academic, success is professional, success is finally the service of the community. So in my case, I'm always appearing for an exam every day because my patients, as I examine them and try to find the best solution to their problem, they are continuously evaluating a doctor as to whether they would like to come back to me and whether they would like to speak good about me to other people. So this thing of remaining a student and appearing for exam is actually now a daily business. And only when you realize that, you stop feeling proud about your degrees and you realize that at the end of it, you got to be a person who is useful to your community. That actually gives you a lot of satisfaction, I think. Thanks once again to Mrs. Iyer for remembering me and giving me an opportunity to connect with the younger minds who are presently learning, studying in Srimati Sudhakar Vidya Mandir. Obviously, I would have been more happy to be there with you in person. Nevertheless, this is no lesser a chance. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Ashwin Yardi. I joined the school in kindergarten and then passed out when I completed my SSC in 1984. I want to take this opportunity to thank the staff and the teachers of Surajbha Vidya Mandir for playing a key role in success of my career. On this Founders Day, I want to congratulate the staff, the management and the teachers for creating an outstanding institution and wish you all the success in creating leaders of the society for tomorrow. Thank you.
Let us also follow the footsteps of our forerunners and make our school proud by becoming eminent members of the society. Maybe we too would be invited one day to speak about our fond memories here.
At this time, there are some special people of whom I must take a mention. Thanks to special advisor to our school, Dr. Sangeeta Gole, who during her association with Srimati Surajbha Vidya Mandir from 2012 helped our school advance into the 21st century. Thanks to Dorothy Fernandez Miss, who gave 20 years of valuable service to our school in the pre-primary section and retired this year in April. In memoriam and gratitude, I must speak of Gautami Bhate Miss, who was our computer teacher and she gave 14 years of valuable service to our school. May the Almighty allow her to rest in peace and comfort to her family. Heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed management, heads of our school, parents and teachers. We are confident that our juniors too will enjoy their school days as much as we did. Our school has come a long way and no way to go but forward. We wish all our juniors the best in their endeavors. We also take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who was part of this program. Thanking you once again, we take your leave.